Howdy! Today I'm going to show you how to use the propagation maps that BYU Idaho has put together for the Eastern Idaho MeshCore network. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the BYU Idaho Amateur Radio Society website. You can either type in byuiars.reup.net or you can go to your favorite search engine, type in BYUIARS, and here we have it. So, here's our website. Welcome to the BYU Idaho Amateur Radio Society. We're going to go over here to Mesh Networks and here to Propagation Maps. Now this is what the map looks like. If we zoom in, we can see here are all of the repeaters that we have documented locations and elevations and antennas for that we've run simulations for. Now if I want to see, okay, what can I reach if I can hear the Cascade repeater? I can go down here to the bottom right, under coverages, I can tap on Cascade and I can hit submit. And then there we go. The green areas are going to be areas where you've probably got a pretty good shot. Yellow is a maybe, white is probably not. This does make the assumption that your receiving device is about 6 feet off the ground. If you're higher up, you might have better luck. If you're lower down, it might not work quite as well. If I'm a BYU Idaho student, I can go here, hit 7th South. That's the one on the tower on the south side of campus. And here we go. Now let's say I want to find something. I want to know if I can reach from, say, a middle of a field. And I don't know where the middle of my field is on this map, but I know it's somewhere around here. I can go to this drop down and I can change this to a satellite map. And now I can be like, okay, here's my, let's say this is my field. I want to know if I can reach from the middle. And it looks like maybe if I hold my antenna up real high, because I'm just right on the edge there. You can also see where these blind spots are going to be. You can see our coverage over the stadium isn't great from this tower. Same with this whole north side of campus. But there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you. If we go back here to this page, we've got a link to our Discord right here. Feel free to pop in, ask us any questions we have. And if you know of any additional stationary MeshCore repeaters in the region, give us a heads up. We'd love to add them. And yeah, hope you'll have a great day. Bye-bye.